Please help. Should knowledge be taken from Ahmed Musa Jibril? See, like this person here, I have to expose and criticize and call out, because he is a caller to deviance. He's a caller to the hellfire. He's from the Khawarij ideology. He follows the Khawarij ideology. Yeah, he's in America, and he teaches his followers and his students, if we can call them students. They are kids, a bunch of kids there who listen to him. He teaches them takfir, excommunicating Muslims, incites chaos and disobedience in Muslim lands. He does takfir on Muslim rulers. He calls for fake jihad. And the funny part, like I said, he is in the US, in a disbeliever land, paying them taxes and playing the white knight in shining armor and horse, and he's schooling everyone. So Allah al-afiyah was-salam. And if you want to know the eligibility of somebody's da'wah, look at the fruit, look at the outcome of his da'wah. Look at the people who follow him. How are they? How are they reacting? What's their manners? What is their aqeedah? All of them takfiris. They do takfir on Muslims. They slander people. They insult. They do haram things. Yeah, they're bad mouth. They use obscene language all the time, and they're all fake accounts. They call for fake jihad. Yeah, and subhanallah. And by the way, he has some court cases. He's a criminal. He has some court cases in the US, conning people and stealing or cheating them with property or something like that. Yani, the guy is a mess. Wallahi, subhanallah. He's a criminal, and he's a caller to deviance. May Allah protect you all from him.